Today we're going to be cleaning the box fan. I'm just going to use a screwdriver here and then kind of just go in there and unscrew the sides. Put everything in a safe place. Remove the side tape. And then we're gonna just pull it. It like latches underneath. So you're gonna have to just pull it. Okay. And it has these little clips on the inside, so you're just gonna kind of pull this out. So I'm gonna just clean up in here. I'm gonna get a napkin and some alcohol and just wipe it down. I've decided to move the party outside and I brought everything with me because of how dusty it is. I'm gonna just start off by kind of removing the rest of that. And I'm just gonna remove that first layer off. Look at all that fur. Or dust, rather. Just gonna pour some alcohol on this one and kind of just give inside a clean down. Especially starting with the blades. Seems like those are really dirty in the front and the back, so make sure you grab both sides. And then just do a kind of a good wipe down on the inside of where you took off most of the dust, because there's good amount of residue in there. And get the back. Sweep back there. There's still a little dust on it, and I'm just gonna kind of go between where I see the biggest amount of dust. But that is how you clean. I'm gonna keep this one separate. Believe it or not, this can be composted. I'm actually gonna put this in the tree behind me. I did not use alcohol on those pieces of paper, just this one. So now, this is all clean. I'm just gonna put it back in. Okay. In there. Take this, screw it back in. And that's how you make your box fan as good as new.